In this video, we are showing you how you can enable two-step verification on your Scotiabank app. First is you have to head inside the app and then tap on the More icon that you can see in the navigation bar. Once you're inside here, you just need to tap on the Privacy and Security and find the two-step verification, which is this. After clicking the two-step verification, you have to click this red button, which is labeled with Activate to SV. Once you click this, you will be prompted to activate the 2SV with this window message. So just click the Activate to SV and then allow it on the next screen. And after clicking the Allow button, you will be receiving this confirmation screen that the two-step verification is now activated in your phone, and just click the Finish button. And that's it. That's how you can enable two-step verification on your Scotiabank app, and thank you for listening.